This guide covers step-by-step tailgate removal for 2017-2020 Ford F-150 trucks. Always wear gloves and eye protection and check for recalls before starting work. You'll need 10mm and 13mm sockets, trim panel tools, and a jack or assistant for support. First, open the tailgate fully. Then disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent electrical shorts, especially important for power tailgates. Remove any interior trim panels on the tailgate, which are typically held by plastic clips. Use trim panel removal tools to avoid damage. For power tailgates, unplug all wiring harnesses, including the motor connector, to disconnect electrical components. Support the tailgate's weight with a jack or assistant. Remove the hinge bolts, typically 4 to 6 per side, using 10mm or 13mm sockets. With bolts removed, carefully lift the tailgate straight off the hinges. Have help if needed to prevent damage. Before starting, check for recalls. The 2019-2020 recall, NENSA campaign number 19V725, addresses potential tailgate detachment due to faulty latches. Affected vehicles receive free latch replacements at Ford dealerships. To replace the tailgate, reverse the removal steps, ensuring all cables and wiring are correctly reconnected and aligned. Torque hinge bolts to the manufacturer's specification of around 35 feet-pounds to avoid stripping or misalignment. After reassembly, test the tailgate's operation, including the latch and any power functions. Ford recommends inspecting tailgate cables every 30,000 miles to prevent issues. Consider that aftermarket tailgates or modifications can void your warranty. Experts recommend professional removal for power tailgates due to the complexity of sensor realignment. Improper DIY removal can lead to malfunctions. Be aware that hybrid and electric F-150 models, 221 plus Lightning, may have different maintenance needs due to regenerative braking impacting wear. Check online for any updated information from Ford regarding common issues or updated procedures before beginning the replacement.